morning, instructor. This is Fernando Gonzalez, and well, this is my video assignment, and I want to show you first the SQL code. These are the 6 queries. So I'm going to test so you can see it works. And so you can see it say that one row inserted, so I suppose it works. But it's inserting with ID 7, maybe because I tried, I don't know, maybe 7 times yesterday, trying to make it work. Second query. Sorry. Again. And okay. So you can see that it works, but maybe it's telling me that row is not affected because now I have the client level to 3, so there is no. Number 3. They said replay. Go. Okay. One row affected. It ready. Let's do this option. So it works. Now it's telling me I am selecting these 2 columns and joining with the classification. That is a column that both tables have in common. So it's showing me the new table with the model and the classification name. So it works. And query 5. Okay, one row affected, so the works. And finally this query. The inventory using the concat in order to place this text before the value of the column. So 15 row. Okay. Now I want to show you my action PHP, my code, and I am calling the function here because I need to do it because in other form that is not running. Maybe because we are not calling it another place. Yeah, opening browser. So it's not showing data because the try block this is copy working. But if I don't know, maybe put a F here in order to see an error, I reload the page. Okay, so it's showing me the error, the 500.php. Well, I have this is my CSS code, so you can see I am not using any library. My wave, um, I don't know, test, no errors, no contrast errors. This is my mail checker, no errors, and CSS checker, no error. Mm, error. Mm, oh well, that is a page is responsive. It's using the same CSS folder from the home PHP, so it should work. Show you. So it's fully responsive. The logo and my account is not well. So you can see it works. Um, that is all, instructor. Thank you and have a good day.